Hey everyone, I hope everything is going great. I have never done this before, making a video and uploading because I'm camera shy. But I thought, why not try this also? Because I have wrote many things already on my page. I hope you have read them. So this video is about who am I? It's like introduction to me. Who am I? No, I'm not talking about my name, my religion, my nationality, whatever those. No, I'm not talking about that stuff. The stuff could have been different if I was born in different family, if I was born in different city, I was if I was born in different country. So none of those things describe me. If I ask you who you are, how will you describe? You will describe the stuff written in those identity card. Or, I think you are getting my point, right? So who am I? There is a famous Rumi quote that reads, "I am not this hair, I am not this skin, but I am the soul that lives within." What does it mean? What does it mean? I think, in my opinion, it's just my opinion. What, who are we? We cannot describe that. It's a complicated process to describe yourself. The way I see it is, there is a core within me, and there is a core in everyone, which is accepting the data whichever we are sending it. Suppose the data is for let's take example, the pages I follow, the videos I watch, the friends I interact with, and the topics I discuss, and how I respond to those topics. Each and every activity I do is describing me. All those things are going in that core, and that core is responding back, right? So that's why it's very important to understand that what we are consuming doesn't only have to be with what we eat, how much exercise we do and healthy we are. Consuming whatever our brain is consuming, that matters the most. That's how consciousness is. Understanding the, aware having that awareness about the surrounding and responding back, that's what consciousness is, right? Probably. So who am I? I am the one who is accepting piece of information in let's say in data packets, and all those data packets are constantly going in that core that is lying within me and responding me back. So who am I? Who just pause for a second and think about it, who you are. Just pause the video and think about it, who you are. So far you should have understood that what is making us that we are trying to describe is what we are consuming through external world. And you should have also understood that how it is important to consume the right piece of information through external world, because you don't want to corrupt the external world, your internal world, right? So it's very important. We cannot stop learning, because your mind constantly think, constantly see, watch things and listen people. So our senses constantly works, so we cannot stop learning. But what is that thing that filters the external world data? So that is what unlearning is. That's where unlearning adds value, right? Unlearning stuff. You are born, suppose let's take an example. As soon as we are born, we get many of the labels, the name, religion, stuff like that, and you follow the same stuff throughout your life. Unlearning doesn't have to be unlearning it completely, but consuming only a small piece of information through the whole data, and that information has to be which makes sense to you. I Yeah, it doesn't has to be that the whole data needs to be needs to make sense to you, right? Whatever makes sense to you, you just filter it out and send it to that inner core, which gonna define you, which gonna make you. So this information through external world and pages we follow, stuff we watch, information of every kind, just make sure that your those information is adding value to your life, and that is what, because that's gonna define you who you are. So that has what made me who am I. I might not be the same person tomorrow because I'm gonna consume different kind of data, but I will make sure that I will filter out the stuff which can add negativity to my life, which gonna add, which gonna make me more judgmental. No, I'm not gonna do those things. I am not gonna let that data to corrupt my internal world. My constant efforts are to protect that internal, that core, that because that core is what makes me. So this is very important to understand, to follow the right pages, people, stuff. Uh, uh, you all have understood everything so far. So thank you. That is what, who am I, not my name, not religion, not nationality. No, 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 those things are just on paper. Those things never gonna define me. What gonna define me is what I'm going to consume and how I'm responding to those things. So that is me. Thank you.